Those of you who are taking Writing 1 in PROPE A, today's Monday, November 5th. Tomorrow, November 6th, I will be arriving late to my office, so we won't have class, but I want to give you kind of a review of what we talked about on Monday today and what we need to work towards for Wednesday. So this week, remember, we're focusing on ethics and morality. And if you go under week 13 of Google Classroom, you'll find these two documents. You'll see an assignment called Ethics and Morality. Take a look at the list of rules. On Monday, you started, many of you began filling out this chart. Make sure that you have this complete for Wednesday, making sure that you have your name, the name of the rule. Make sure you have a complete sentence using the example that we saw in class on Monday. I would, and then state your rule, and then the connector because, and then state one general reason why you would impose that rule. Then list the country or countries that you think are most affected, then indicate whether you're in PROPE A or PROPE B. All right, so try to have that completed for Wednesday. Also, by Wednesday, go ahead and begin the assignment. If you click on the Ethics Google Docs, each one of you will have your own rules. So for Wednesday, go ahead and make sure you have your image, your brainstorm, and your mind map. Thinking about the answering the question, if you could choose one rule for the entire world to adhere to, what would it be and why? Remember, you're going to need to address the rule itself, what it would be, and why. Why would you impose those rules? On Monday, we looked at asking why on a particular reason to help us become more specific. And that's a good exercise to follow in order to brainstorm some ideas about related reasons that you can include in your paragraph. So I would do that exercise. Ask yourself, why, for example, why would I require governments to impose a law that would pay for college? Well, college leads to greater knowledge. Well, why is that important? Well, knowledge is needed for obtaining a job. And then ask yourself, well, why are jobs important? And then continue down this path to, again, brainstorm some ideas for developing later on in your paragraph. So on Wednesday, I think ideally, if you have your image, your brainstorming, and your mind map completed, then on Wednesday, I can take a look at your mind map and you can begin drafting your paragraph. We'll talk on Wednesday different ways and options to organize your ideas for your paragraph, but try to have those completed as well as the spreadsheet list of rules, and we'll continue on Wednesday with this assignment.